a line cut for Sahara. She's not going to lay on her back for us. No way Sahara's going to do that. I'm going to try the dangle with Sahara. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, let's just see how well this goes here. Not very well, huh? Okay, here we go. Let's take a little bit off. As much as we can. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Turn over, sweetie. Here we are. Let's take a look here. Yeah, she's purring, which means nothing to Sahara. That's sort of a warning, actually, isn't it? Purring is more of a warning. Yeah, and it is a, hey, how are you doing? Kind of thing, huh? Okay. Just want to get some of this wild hair under control. Don't worry, sweetie. This is what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. Let me take a look. Take a look. Yes. Oh, there's so much under there. It's gonna take us days to get it all, huh? Okay, we got days. We got days. Okay. That's enough for now, huh? Okay. We got a big enough mess. It's not right there. And the usual one down here between your legs. If you try that. Oh my God. Yeah, okay. That's good. Yeah, so we keep coming back. We were smart this time. We're going to do this before we vacuumed instead of like after. Sometimes we're smarter than others.